Hey guys, I'm Billy, and I've been doing this YouTube thing for a little over 5 years now, and something finally happened to me that I kind of had a feeling would happen eventually. You just never know when. This is BILLT.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
So in May of 2020, I decided to pick up my camera, go for a drive in the mountains, record a video, and launch my YouTube channel. Now when I say camera, I really mean my phone, because at the time I did not have a dedicated camera. I just grabbed my phone, and you can tell that this video was basically just a first-person shot from the passenger seat of our Miata on a mountain run that I did with a friend of mine. I then decided to throw together a couple of montage edit videos with some pictures on some car projects that I've been working on, and then I effectively sat on the channel for about a year before I posted anything else. So a little over a year later, I buy my S2000, which at the time is a salvage title, and that was really the beginning of me leaning into the whole YouTube thing. I've been working on cars for years, but this was really the first car that I had bought with the YouTube channel in mind, and it really helped me focus on having a product and having something that I was pushing towards and something that I wanted to basically capture for people, that they could go through this process themselves and not have to necessarily go through some of the pain that I went through not knowing how certain things worked or how the whole salvage process is. I also at this time made the first of what would be many fleet update style videos, where I kind of go through what vehicles I have and what's going on with each one and which kind of projects I have going on at the time. I also managed to sneak in a video where we update the door cards in the Miata, but most of my early videos were surrounding the S2000 or these kind of impromptu fleet update videos. After about 6 months and probably about a dozen videos between the fleet updates and the S2000 videos and the odd Miata video here or there, I finally came to what was kind of the pinnacle of my journey, taking my salvage S2000 all the way to a rebuilt title and now being able to drive it on the road. So in January of 2022, I actually shot a video that at the time I didn't even know whether it was worth recording, and it's ended up being my most popular video to date. This Honda Element video, where I change out all 4 motor mounts, has actually gotten over 44,000 views, despite my most popular videos otherwise getting somewhere in the thousands to tens of thousands of views. This one is triple all of those totals. After that video, I started recording everything from new car purchases to DIY to mountain cruises to new parts installs and everything that I did regarding these cars. Oh, right. So, sorry, I got so caught up editing the video that I almost forgot why you guys were here. So I kind of hooked you a little bit in the beginning, and I said that something happened to me that happens to a lot of YouTubers. And, you know, putting yourself out there on the internet, you know, there's a lot of things that can happen, good or bad or otherwise. And a lot of people that do YouTube experience something like I just experienced. And of course, what I'm talking about is monetization. So sorry if I kind of loaded that up where maybe you thought it was something negative. I didn't get abducted or anything like that. This is my unfinished basement that I'm being held in. It's actually, everything's good. I got a message from YouTube, and they were basically like, you hit this certain threshold, you're allowed to apply to be a partner, and that of course means that you can start making some form of money. So the tier that I'm at is kind of like the very beginning stuff, where they offer you memberships, or you can do live streams with like super chats or gifts or stuff like that. So it's really like subscriber based. So if anybody who's a subscriber or watching this video is like interested in becoming a member, I don't know what that means yet for me. I watch a lot of YouTube myself. I don't have a ton of memberships, so I don't necessarily see what gets offered, but I do actually do the Throttle VIP, so shout out to the Throttle guys. If you ever end up watching this, or anybody who's watching this that maybe also watches the Throttle channel, but they do the VIP, and they offer, like, you get a special chat, and there's a Facebook group, and you get a discount on their stuff. Obviously, I don't sell stuff unless somebody wants to buy some of my shit. I have a whole room full of car parts that I may or may not ever use. So, but honestly, like, just let me know in the comments. Let me know what you guys think would be like a good thing. Like, and honestly, like, if I did start doing something, whether it was a membership or something like that, it would be very bare bones at first. It would be very like crowd driven, so whatever you guys want would kind of end up what it would probably be being. And it would be cheap. Like, I would probably start at like $1, and then maybe after I got 5, 10, 15, 20, 100 people, like, maybe I would kick it up to $5. And I'm not going to charge, a premium for content that I don't even know what it is yet. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like I said, every little bit that you guys watch, I still have about 900 hours or so that I need to get, and probably a couple dozen more subscribers before I get like real monetization, where like I get ad revenue and stuff like that. But that's kind of the goal now. And like I said, this is still hobby. This is still not my full-time job. I don't think I'm gonna quit my job anytime soon, especially not to become a YouTuber unless this like really, really blows up. I mean, my stock options are doing well, but I don't think they're doing that well. So go ahead and let me know in the comments what you guys would be like willing to pay for. Like, do you want behind the scenes? Do you want chat? Do you want more live video? Do you want member only content? Those are some of the things that I've been kicking around. I would love to make merch. I would love to make, sarcastic shirts and stuff like that. I have been talking to people about kind of letting my personality out a little bit more, instead of just doing these kind of dry DIY videos, or some of these more adventurous videos where I do go to Miatas at the Gap, but most of the video is just me driving around in the car, or pictures of cars or whatever. So I'm trying to let that happen a little bit more. So I think having a better soundboard and having kind of like a members only area would be kind of cool. Like I said, probably super cheap to start with, but let me know in the comments. I'm not going to drag this video out any longer than it has to. I already did way more editing than I planned on doing for this video, and I do have a ton of content coming. I have a ton of backlog. Some of the guys at work make fun of me because they're like, dude, when was the last time you edited a video? I do have a tendency to go on runs of months where I don't edit anything. So go ahead and drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to see. I'm going to wrap this thing up. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.